Got a small space? Here's a kitchen window herb garden that you can do at home. I have two options here. I'm gonna go with the wooden box. Nice and long and narrow so you can fit quite a bit in there, but it'll also be perfect width because it can sit on a kitchen window or on a counter. Our first plant here is gonna be chamomile. These do excellent in full sun. However, you can get away with planting these in a sunny window if they're getting enough light. We have purple basil. This is an excellent choice, especially if you're gonna do Asian inspired dishes. Has a much stronger herb flavor and isn't as sweet as your regular basil. This green one is your regular sweet basil, which is also good for soups and stews and really good for pasta sauce. All three of these are a great option to grow well together in a kitchen window. They require the same amount of moisture and light, and let's plant them. This container did come with an insert. We're gonna go ahead and fill it with soil, filling the container with an all-purpose potting mix. This should hold enough moisture to tide our plants over. I'm gonna go ahead and just pot these up. Lastly, I did leave a little bit of a gap. I'm gonna put a piece of mint in there that I propagated, and just make sure that you're trimming off the heads of all your herbs. It does have a little bit of root, as you can see. I'm planting that piece of mint in there. As your plants are growing, you're gonna wanna make sure to keep pinching the tops off your herbs, especially your basil and your mint. This will encourage a much bushier plant, and also it'll keep them from going to seed. Once they go to seed, the flavor usually changes. They get a little bit more bitter, and then the plant usually kind of heads on its way out. Now you've just created a wonderful kitchen arrangement that you can use for all your cooking needs. Click the link in the description for any of the products that we use, and again, check us out at gardenersyards.com.